I'm Tristan Welch and this is Rubbish Cooked. It's a zero waste movement. That's right, we go into your bins and we find something delicious out of it. There's a meal everywhere. This is how to use up your leftover paella, but works with leftover risotto and other leftover rice dishes. First up, we take a bowl and we add our leftover paella rice. Beat up that rice and smash it around a little bit. Be brutal with it. So this is what we're looking for. It's all clumped together and become quite sticky. But let's take it to the next level. Mozzarella. I'm gonna shred in a whole mozzarella ball and that's gonna make it sticky and rich and delicious. And let's put some spring onions in too, shall we? Pinch of salt, twist of pepper, and just give that a mix to come together. Okay, you might be wondering, what is he doing? Just mashing up rice and putting cheese together. This is what we do with it, trust me. It's gonna be delicious. Flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Form the rice into balls, essentially. Coat the rice cakes in flour, eggs, pop them into breadcrumbs. Then use the second hand, your other hand, to coat them in the dry. So you have one for the dry, one for the wet. For that second crunch, you want to dip again. That double dip gives it a double crunch, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. Taking the leftovers to the next level. So now they've been double coated, we'll just pat them down, gently shape them like so. And then we're just gonna pop those on there like so. So these will burn ever so quickly. So just put them at the end of your hot plate there and let them just gently, slowly cook away. So I'm just gonna roast a load of vegetables because they'll go wonderfully with these fantastic leftover rice cakes. And you know what? I don't know what, actually. Here we go, this is what we're talking about here. You see, we know it's ready when the cheese starts oozing out. Let's turn it over. Whoa. Yes, that one's oozing out too. Take them off like so. Let's pop them onto our plates. Leftover rice cakes with roasted vegetables and a drizzle of burnt lemon. Here we go. Whoa. Now that is a rice cake of champions. I'm having that, I'm having it, I'm having it. I'm having all of it. I thought the paella couldn't get any better before, but leftovers are amazing.